Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beautybyaj and this video will show week 3 of my 30-day hair detox. Before we get started, I see a lot of y'all watching my videos and not subscribing, and I don't like that. No, but for real, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe because it means a lot to me, and make sure you hit the notification button so you're updated when I post a new video. So in week 1, I started by learning how to use the products that fit the detox criteria and that were recommended to me by my Cut It Kinky stylist. In week 2, I focused on the application of the product and learning my styling technique. And in week 3, I'll be focusing more on my styling technique, and I'll be showing you guys how my wash and go looks over the course of the week. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. So this is the same routine I've been doing. It might be repetitive, but this is just what I'm doing throughout the detox. I'm gonna try and keep it quick though, since I have other videos that focus on this process. So I start by rinsing my hair thoroughly. Next, I emulsify my shampoo and I apply it from my scalp to my ends. Emulsifying is just rubbing the product in your hands to warm it up and help you apply it more evenly. It also prevents you from using too much product, which I'm all for because these products are not cheap. I intentionally wash my hair down because that's how I get my hair to lay flat and hang. So since I'm using a moisturizing shampoo, it's not a very strong cleanser. So therefore I wash my hair twice. I do this because the shampoo kind of sits on my hair the first time around and usually lathers a lot better the second time around. And that's just the indication that my hair is clean. So technically it was all clean the first time around, but just for reassurance, I wash it twice. So I rinse this out, and the next step is applying my conditioner. I emulsify the conditioner and I start by applying this from the ends up to my roots. And then I detangle my hair with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I bought this brush years ago and I still love how easy it is to detangle my hair with it and how easy the brush is to clean. So I rinse the conditioner out and I apply the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. Again, I emulsify and I saturate my hair with this. Y'all, this has become my favorite product of all time. And I've only used it 3 times. Like, that's so crazy to me. I really love this because this is what sets your wash and go up for success. So anyway, Uncle Funky's Daughter is my favorite product of all time because it just does so much for your hair. So once I'm done, I add a little more water so it can be absorbed into my hair. And then I use a shower cap to keep the moisture in and prevent product from dripping on me while I take my shower. Now outside of the shower, I emulsify and apply the I Create Hold to my hair. I do the same with the bamboo ginseng. In my last video, I realized I do not like raking the product with my hands. It just takes too long for me and I'm not trying to do this all day. So I found an even faster method, and it's with a tool that most naturals have or had. I used the Denman brush, and this was a game changer for me. I actually used to have one, but I was using it as a detangling brush rather than what it was meant for, so I ended up throwing it away. But now that I know that it's not for that, it's for smoothing and clumping curls, that's exactly what I'm trying to do, so it works perfectly. I took every other row out of mine so it could go through my hair better, and y'all, I saved so much time and the curls were clumped and smooth exactly how I wanted them, and it didn't take me as long as it does with my fingers. Alright guys, so in this part of the video, I'm going to be showing you how my curls held up throughout the week. I already said that my shape is messed up because I decided to put scissors in my hair, so please do not say anything about the shape in the comments because I already know. Anyway, so this is how my hair looked after it dried on Tuesday. I have a good bit of crunch, so you can see that the curls are a little stiff, but the definition is there, honey. You can see it with your eyes. Like, my hair is shiny, it's defined, and I mean, you see it. The proof is in the pudding, honey. So here is Wednesday. I took my bonnet off. This is how I wore my hair throughout the week, in a bonnet. I don't recommend using a bonnet because it it compresses your hair and smushes your curls and then causes volume when you don't need to have volume early in the week. But I digress. This is how the curls looked on Wednesday. Still a good bit of crunch. It's a little flat in some areas, again, because I used a bonnet, but the curl definition is still there. And you can see kind of at the top those straight pieces that I was talking about. I couldn't see in the back when I was cutting, so I didn't even bother. I just worried about what the front looked like. So yeah, that's what the back looked like. Let's not say anything about that. All right, so here is Thursday, day 3, taking the bonnet off. I love how I'm starting with taking the bonnet off. This is how my hair looks. I kind of just shake it to add some movement, get it from being, you know, stiff. And you can see the curl definition is still there, day 3. All right, and just by the way, this is how much shedding I got. I had washed my hair, I think 10 days after my last wash and go, which is why I had a bit more shedding. So that's why I said I wanted to wash my hair every 7 days. So here is day 4, which is Friday. I had a good bit of shrinkage, but you can see I was trying to point out that one side is longer than the other because of what I cut. But the curl definition is still there. Love it. Like, that looks so good. And then trying to shake out the back. I never really mess with the back as far as shaking it and picking it out because I can't see what it looks like. Here is day 5, which would be Saturday. Still have definition. I'm getting a lot of volume. Not a lot of frizz though. My shape looks really cute there. If I say so myself, that's probably the best it's looked in this whole video. But yeah, definition is really good. And you see I'm not refreshing my hair with any water or anything. I just kind of shake it and move on about my day. Here is day 6, a good bit of curls. Still, I see a little bit of frizz, but it's not much, honestly. It's still curl definition. It's still wearable. At this point, I would probably wear it in a puff because the roots are starting to lose their definition, but the ends still got it. All right, guys, so believe it or not, this is day 11. I'm getting ready to wash my hair. I was going to try and hold out until I get back home, but that's just not going to work because my hair is starting to flake and just build up some dirt. So I need to give it a quick wash before I can get home and do my whole wash routine from start to finish. But anyway, I wasn't unable to come back. I wasn't able to get any video footage of day 7, 8, 9, or 10, mainly because I didn't take my bonnet off. I was in the house doing homework, trying to finish this last couple weeks out before I get this degree. So you know how that goes. I was very much occupied. As you can see, still have some curls. There's a lot of frizz going on, but I still have curls. And yeah, that's all, guys. So that brings us to the end of week 3. Week 4 will be something new for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my video next time.